Take a ride in the 2026 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.